Oh shit. Alright, what is up everybody? I am literally doing this intro walking through the woods because I'm trying to make sure we have enough sunlight to film this video. Came out here earlier. I'll show you guys. Really nice area out in the out on the river, and unfortunately my quad was like acting up, man. It was twitching. I know if you guys saw the video, I believe, yeah, yesterday, I had these weird like jitters. And basically what I found was, I think the wire that the power cable to the bones coming off the LiPo battery was bad. So I'm back at the spot. Here we are. Really nice spot. I just want to make sure I have enough time to get the shots that I want to get. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up. Let me figure out where I'm at. This camera is heavy, guys. I'll show you guys my camera setup. So yeah, enjoy, and I will see you guys in the air. So I did go ahead and change my arm switch. My arm switch is now this red one. It used to be this one right here, but I think I like, you know, being able to hit that one a little better. So let's go ahead and take off. Not sure what that was. We got some shines right there. Oh, no GPS satellites, I believe that's what that notification was. So like I said, very beautiful area. We're just gonna do some kind of cinematic footage. Very nice little spot. Got the bridge. Very beautiful. So we'll go down here a little bit. We gotta watch out for those power lines. As you guys can see, very nice. Really pretty. So that didn't sound good. So I'm gonna turn it back around. I don't want to lose my quad here. Whoa, I think we got the jitters. I'll stay kind of high if that's the case. Wow. Just floating around here, nothing too crazy. I don't know if that was the jitters or what. That wasn't the smoothest, but oh shit. Holy crap, guys. You guys saw that. That would have been bad. There we are. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't want a power loop because there's those power lines over there. Wow. Not much to this one. can't believe we hit that tree over there. That could have been the end of this car. Hopefully the GoPro's still recording. Leave a comment down below. What is your guys' favorite camera for the like quad? Like I use GoPro Bones, but if this thing keeps twitching and doing dumb stuff, I'm gonna have to switch. I don't know if it's the camera or if it's actually the quad itself, you know. But I can't have that, especially flying over a lot. Yep, there we go. Alright, we're coming in for our landing. That'll conclude today's vid. I'm just not trying to risk this thing. Pop it down there. So yeah guys, super short video today, not too much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.